This is just a quick demonstration of how to create a backup file of your Moodle course when you're using Moodle 2.4. First, I'm going to go find my settings block, which is usually all the way at the bottom on the left-hand side of the screen, and I'm going to click on the link that says Backup. The backup will automatically not include enrolled users, which is fine because you don't want this year's students to be moved forward to next year's course. But it will include activities, blocks, and filters, which is exactly what you want. Hit Next. Here you can choose to select only some of the course if you want to create a backup of individual items. I'm going to go ahead and keep everything in here because you can also choose to not restore certain things during the restore process later. So I'm going to jump to the bottom of the page using the End key on my keyboard and then hit Next. Here, Moodle will automatically generate a file name based on the short name of your course, the date that you created the backup, and also the time that you created the backup file. Below that is a confirmation of all of the options that you chose, including what to back up and what not to back up. Again, I'm going to use the End key on the keyboard to jump down to the bottom and click Perform Backup. The backup process can take a few seconds or it can take several minutes depending on how big your course is and how many items you have in it. If it's taking a little bit of time, just wait for it to finish and eventually you'll see a message like this that says backup file was created successfully. Click Continue and you'll come to this area where you see the user private backup area. This lists all of the backups that you've created of your courses over time. The most recent one is always going to be at the top. And you can click the download link to download it to your desktop so that you can restore it to a new server. And you're good to go.